Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing you're going to do is download and open up the Xiaomi Home app, and then we're going to click on the plus icon on the top right, and then click on Add Device, and then scroll down to Add Devices manually and click on Robot Vacuum. And here you need to find your vacuum cleaner, so the VIOMI S9. Well, we're going to click on Filter and click on Other Brands so it's easier to find. And now we're going to look for the VIOMI S9. There it is. And now it's going to ask you to reset the device before you do this. So to do that, you need to hold these two buttons right here, so the home and the power buttons, for like 3 seconds or until it gives you a message, a command.
Network configuring.
So there you go, it has been reset, and now we can continue in our app. Click on device reset, and there we go into select the Wi-Fi network that the vacuum cleaner is going to be connected to. Make sure that it's 2.5 gigahertz and not 5 gigahertz. Type in the password right here and then click on next. And now it's going to ask you to connect to the Wi-Fi of the device. So you're going to go to the Wi-Fi settings and then find our Wi-Fi that the vacuum cleaner emits. So this one right here. Once we're connected, we can head back to the app and it's going to start to connect. There we go, it has been connected, and now we can assign the vacuum cleaner to a room. So you can select any of the rooms that have been created before, or you can create a new room by pressing this button and selecting one of the recommended ones, or just entering a name. Click OK. So once you selected the room, you can click on next, and then you can set a name for the Roomba if you want. Click on next, and that's about it. You're done, and you can now start using your vacuum cleaner by pressing the start button. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.